Library activity, storytelling. The school library was filled with excitement early in the morning. Neat rows of chairs were arranged in front of a colorful display board that read, "Storytelling activity. Unlock your imagination." Students entered quietly, their eyes shining with curiosity. The librarian welcomed everyone and explained the purpose of the activity. Today we are not just reading stories, we are bringing them to life. One by one, students came forward holding their favorite storybooks. Some chose fairy tales, some picked moral stories, while others brought folk tales from their culture. As each storyteller stood at the front, the library turned into a stage of imagination. A student narrated the honest woodcutter with expressions that made everyone smile. Another student told Cinderella using hand gestures that brought the characters to life. The younger children sat in silence, listening with wide eyes, completely lost in the world of stories. The librarian said, "A good storyteller doesn't just read the words, but makes others feel them."